In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get thick legs in Roblox. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking on Avatar Shop at the top of the screen on Roblox. You are then going to filter the items that are characters, and you'll see a bunch of characters that are free. Now, the one that you're going to want is going to be a regular character, but you can honestly choose anything. For myself, I'm going to choose Lindsay. Now, as you can see, it'll bring you up to the Lindsay avatar, and you're going to need to buy it. But since it's free, you're not going to have any Robux taken from you. Once you own the item, go into the avatar option on the left side of your Roblox screen and click on the legs. Now, if you go to head and body, you can click on left legs and you can change it to a different type of leg. As you can see, if I click classic female V2, the leg will be thicker than it was before. Now you're going to do the same thing for the right legs. Click on classic female V2 right leg, and there you have it. The avatar now has thicker legs. That's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.